The two-axis single turret CNC lathe is the simplest CNC turning machine. All tools are in a single turret, which is on a slide moving in two directions. Hence, it is designated a two-axis lathe. One cutting operation is performed at a time. Turn mill NC turning machines add milling operations to the machine's capability. For milling operations, the workpiece is held fixed or else rotated at a very slow speed while rotating tools, sometimes called live tools, are brought to it. The main benefit of the turn mill lathe is that more complex workpieces can be finished on the lathe and not have to be moved to a second machine tool for additional operations. The sub-spindle CNC lathe uses a secondary or sub-spindle to pick up the work from the main spindle. Another workpiece is then fed to the first spindle, running both spindles at the same time. Automatic screw machines are for high production turning and operate unattended. Cuts on the end of the work are combined with cuts from the side for rapid production. There are single spindle and multi-spindle types. The multi-spindle automatic is the premier high production turning machine. It can machine multiple parts simultaneously with multiple spindles. The 6 or 8 spindles are held in a rotating spindle drum. This drum rotates the spindles to the cutting tools positioned on slides. The CNC Swiss-type automatic is primarily for parts that are long and thin. To generate external features, the bar stock is fed longitudinally by a sliding headstock through a bushing past the radially arranged turning tools. Long, thin parts can be turned without deflection, as all turning is done adjacent to the bushing, which supports the rotating bar. Vertical turret lathes, or VTLs, are commonly used for large diameter round parts, not suitable for holding in the chuck of a horizontal lathe. The work is clamped on a rotating table 2 to 6 feet in diameter. Tools in tool blocks or turrets may be fed from above or from the side into the rotating work.